Hey everyone, it's Sumi and welcome back to my channel, The Tadka Project. Today I'm going to show you how to make a naturally decaf version of a classic masala chai with the antioxidant rich herb Rooibos. This is great for all those evening chai lovers who still want to get a good night's rest. So let's get cooking. In a pot on medium-high heat, I'm adding half a cup of almond milk. You can use any plant-based milk of your choice, followed by half a cup of water. While that's heating up, I'm going to crush an inch of ginger. You can use as much or as little as you like. To my pot, here I am adding 1 tea bag of pure Rooibos tea. I prefer using a tea bag because sometimes the leaves are too small and they pass through the sieve. But if you prefer using loose tea, make sure you use a really fine sieve to strain everything out. At this point, I'm going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom powder. You can also use 2 whole cardamom pods that you can crush and add it to the tea instead. And I'm also adding the ginger that we crushed earlier. Once again, you can use as much or as little as you like. And I'm going to mix all of this really well to make sure the flavors are well incorporated. Here I am adding half a teaspoon of coconut sugar for a little sweetness. You can add any sugar of your choice or just skip out on sweetener altogether. Like a classic masala chai, we're going to heat our tea till the milk comes to a boil. At which point we can turn off our element, strain our tea, and it's ready to serve. Once again, this is a great decaf option for all you masala chai lovers. Have it with breakfast or pair with samosas or pakoras for a fun evening snack. Let me know if you try out this recipe in the comments below, and please like and subscribe for more vegan Indian dishes, and I'll see you next time.